All right. New plane day. We got an F-86 Saber from HSD. XSRC also. Big shout out to Chris, Gracie, and the whole team from HSD. They've been doing a great job. This thing took about 4 days to get. Now it was in stock, but still they're super fast. Also, something that I really like, he's putting a little note in there to call. A lot of people have been having problems burning out servos on these. When you start them up, make sure you take the flaps and air brakes, take them off. Do not, and program your radio first before you bind it so that you don't burn your servo out. I've set up, this will be my 5th HSD plane now. I did have a flap servo having a little issue with it, but they made it right immediately, so no big deal. And this is my 5th plane, so 5 planes with 1 problem, not bad. So big shout out to Chris and HSD. All right, so F-86, 120 millimeter, it's an EDF. Yeah, we're going to be doing that, a little bit of turbine flying. But this guy is just to add, because I got the big Super Viper. So let's get to it, unboxing. Simple unboxing. This isn't going to be rocket science. I'm going to take this out fast.
I have not seen it yet.
Here we go. There we go. Look at this baby.
Oh yeah.
Package super nice as all.
Yeah.
Actually, I got a letter about the packaging too. They reinforced it. So good job again on packaging. This is a big bird, man.
You want to put the box on the ground and take everything out and put it on the table?
No, I'll take it.
You got it?
Look
Oh.
Look at the size of the drop tanks on this thing.
Yeah.
Completely awesome. Look at the size of the drop tank.
The paint looks good.
They are huge. It actually is really good.
Yeah.
Finish is pretty good on
Finish is nice, because sometimes it's real popcorny. That's nice.
Yeah, you really don't see it. I don't know that I'm going to fly with these. I traditionally do not like things on the wings when I'm flying. I like a clean wing. But we'll see. I mean, maybe this one I'll put these on. I definitely do not get rid of any of my drop tanks. I got my L-39. I still have all of those. So.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
It's a really good paint job. A little bit of foam here, but really good.
And is this one turbine ready if you wanted to?
No. This one cannot be converted.
Okay.
Which is fine. I didn't want it. So okay, and then we got our manual here. So that's just regular. If you're Asian, you can read that.
Okay. There's English in there too, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Right, so let's take this out. Here's the canopy. Yeah, this is a big bird, man. Yeah, that's nice. They put a nice. I mean, the pilot isn't awesome, but it's not terrible. I mean, it's a good pilot. I mean, this is right as it is coming out of the box. So, I mean, not bad at all. It comes with a little instrumentation. I mean, it looks pretty good. I like the fact that they try. I like the fact that they try to make them look a little bit nice, and I think that's pretty cool. I mean, you're paying for a product, and it seems like this HSD stuff is actually really decent. So,
We got all kinds of stuff up here too.
I got the nose out. Look at the size of this nose.
That is, it's a.
Oh my God, is this thing gonna be a monster?
It's the same length as the L-39. It's just thicker.
It's the same fan size, but it's such a different airframe. I don't know. I think the L-39 is probably longer, but this thing is going to have a lot
Oh,
more.
let's take a peek in there.
Yeah, this thing's going to have a lot more girth.
Give me a
That's
tip.
your,
Oh, yeah.
that's your nose gear, battery tray. Okay, there's that. Look at that nose. Look at that.
What's this scheme called? Oh, yeah, that's.
This is just yellow ribbon colors is what they call it. But this is just this is what, from this era F-86, this is just what they were, this is the scheme that was very popular back then. So we'll take this out, remove this box, and then we'll put this thing kind of together.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Actually, I need more out of the box. I think there's more stuff in the bottom. So I don't even know. There's not enough room in the entire garage for this thing. That's probably a really good sign, I think.
Oh, baby.
Okay, let's put this here. So here's your main fuse. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
There's your MFC. This is a different MFC. When I was talking with Chris today, he told me it's the MFC Pro. There's some different stuff about this one. So if you're familiar with the MFCs, this one is a little bit different how it works. So make sure you pay attention to the directions on this thing.
Okay, let's move the box.
Well, we got to get these out first.
Oh.
Yeah, let's get this stuff out on the table, and then we'll move the box, and then I'll show you the wings and the stabs. Yeah, God, this thing is gonna be a big, big plane, man. Put this here. Let's get this. And then we'll just go over what all of this is. Once we get this all out. Okay, God. It just keeps coming out.
Look at that wing tube.
Yeah, it's a pretty.
Just
dope.
one?
It might be.
Yeah, just one.
I have extra stuff too. Okay, so can we get that box?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we're empty.
Everything. Yeah, that's everything.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. All right, so
Sorry.
wing tube, nice and thick though. This thing is a massive wing tube. Here's all your little part bits, and this is, if you're using Jetty, I will go over this because I had a hard time using Jetty with the PWM extensions.
Okay.
So I will go over that.
What do you mean you had a
set up.
problem?
You have to unplug the MFC and go directly into the receiver if you want stabilized flight. If you do not want stabilized flight, you can just use S-Bus. All of your services will work. But if you use S-Bus and, like, let's say a Cortex Pro, which is what I did with my L39 and I'm going to do with this one, you have to go directly into the receiver. So you have to take the MFC out, unplug your ailerons, elevator, and rudder, and then that goes into your gyro and then goes into your back into the MFC. So, but I'll show you how to do that. This is the flying tail, and you can totally tell that's an F-86 by how that tail looks.
Yeah, that's sweet.
I mean, you can just see by the profile.
No, I did a good. That's nice looking.
Really good paint job.
Yeah, really
Man,
good.
That look good.
For foam EDF, it's
Yeah.
really, really pretty.
Really nice. Really done well. Once I get all these parts out, we'll sort of put this cowboy thing together
Yes.
and give you an idea. Okay, so here's your wing.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Again, man.
Delicious.
I mean, really nice.
Really nice. Yeah.
Really nice finish. I like the gear doors.
Hinges, nice.
It's all metal hinges.
Yep.
You got these typical HSD ball links, which they're fine. I've never had one of those.
Got
fail.
lights. We got lights in the wings.
Oh yeah, it's full lighting.
Nice.
Yeah, it's full lighting.
Does this have afterburner lights, or is that something you can add?
I wouldn't add it because it never had an afterburner.
Oh, so it wouldn't be authentic.
Yeah, this is the scale jet, so we have to be careful. We have to keep it true to scale.
Fair enough.
But there you go.
Yeah. Nice.
I mean, this thing is beautiful. They really did a good job on this one.
Yeah, it
Boy,
looks really good.
this one looks just beautiful. We'll see how the fit and finish is when we go to put it all together. This is your vertical stabilizer. Nice big airfoils too. This just goes like this. This is your typical F-86 tail. I mean, you can really see that that's an F-86
Yeah,
tail.
that's really...
Okay, so let's put this over here. Put this over here. Let's get rid of these.
Probably never to be seen again.
Crap everywhere in here. So
Yeah, always
sorry about
building,
that.
working on a plane, always something.
Okay, so just gonna put this
Okay.
here, and then we'll put this. Give you a little bit of an idea of how this sucker's gonna look.
Okay.
I believe this just sits on here like this. I'm obviously not going to plug anything in right now.
Right, you're gonna do a video of what I'll put together.
Yeah, I'll do a video. I mean, this is all just...
It's an assembly, not a build.
Yeah, this is just assembling stuff. I mean, this is super easy.
Yeah.
But I will put up a video about how you use this, and you use the MFC with a Jetty
Okay.
radio system, because it's a little bit tricky. Super easy once you do it, but it's just a little bit tricky. Okay.
Nice. Oh, that gives you an idea. Here, hold the nose cone.
The nose. And this will give you an idea of how big this sucker is.
Yeah.
I mean, it's big.
Let me back up so I can get the whole thing in there. Oh yeah.
There you
Ooh.
go. That's a nice size there.
Big sexy.
So, all right. Well, guys, that's actually all that's in the
Yeah.
That's it. That's the unboxing.
Okay.
There's, again, you've got these little bits.
Yeah, of course.
The good part about this guy is, let's see if I can do one. It's got, let's see if I can do this without screwing it up.
Oh, you have to air brakes.
Working air brakes.
Yeah. That's
I mean,
tight.
that's cool. You want to talk about some cool, working air brakes.
That's cool.
So, okay, so that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going hunting this weekend, so hopefully I'll be killing a deer, and then I'm going to come back, put this beauty back together, and then hopefully next weekend we'll be getting this guy out, and we'll be doing some flying because it ain't going to take long.
Nope.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.